What's up, people? Charles here, and I'm back with another video. And this is going to be about Beurax. And I've been testing this site out. I didn't put a lot of money in here. I put about $30 in here, and as you can see, I've earned $2.17 so far. But basically, what this is like a trading platform, and they have these different places you can deposit your money, and they do the trading on your behalf. And it's best to stay in the total return swaps, because whatever you deposit at the end of the 15 days, you get it back. Because I think these other ones, and then this one, it depends on the interest rate. So it's best to just stay in the total return swaps, because you get your deposit back, and it's only depending on which plan. It's only 15 days, and these are the different spots you can go into. You can start as low as $20, and you can basically just work your way up. So, and then as you go down, then the percentages go up, and then the days go up. And this is the last one for the USD, and then you can go on, you can do this in Bitcoin or Ethereum, whatever currency you want. But I think today I'm gonna put some Ethereum in here. I think I'm gonna put like $100 worth of Ethereum and start this 1.4% with $100, and then I'm just gonna keep on. I'm a compound interest. I'm a compound Ethereum, and just work my way up. And if it goes right, then I'll add more. But I'm comfortable start doing $100. So if anything happens to the company, then it's just $100. But if it does start working out the way I want, then I will start adding more money and really start into building this into a sizable income stream. But so far so good. It's no issues. So no issues, and I'm gonna do a withdrawal to test it out. See how long it takes for you to get paid or whatever, and I'll do a video on that. But basically, this is pretty good. Pretty good. Let me see. It was something else I wanted to show you. Hold this up. But like they have bonuses and stuff too. Oh, here it is. All right, we'll go to the bonuses. Because I'm still learning the site, and once you start bringing in like revenue, they they pay out bonuses depending on how much revenue that your team brings in. As you can see, these are instantly paid to your wallet, and they're available for withdrawal right then and there. Once it hits your wallet, you can withdraw it. But you see the type of bonuses that you can get up to. It's $1 million right here. So if you're a leader, this may be something that you might want to take a look at. And that's basically the basics of this company. But to me, looks good and it's working. That's my main thing. If it's working and it's paying, that's the only two things that I'm worried about. It's working and it's paying. So like and subscribe, and I'll leave the link in the description. You can come in, create a free account, and check it out for yourself. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.